Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's not my usual type of video, but I'm going to show you the easiest way you can possibly make a sprint system. So let's just get right into it. Okay, so let's just go ahead and make a script. No, we're not doing that yet. We actually make a folder and replicate storage right here, and we just name it inputs. And after that, we have input context, input action, and input binding. Basically, this holds every single input for your game. We just put an input action in here, which is essentially a second folder that holds all your key binds. You just put an input binding here, name just like key bind. If you want gamepad support, you can just, gamepad bind right here. I'm also going to do mobile support if you want, touch bind right here, and we'll go into this later. Go into key code in the key bind, and I'm gonna save the left control because I can't use the shift key with the shift lock right now. And then we're gonna set the gamepad bind to let's say button X, and that should just work. Now let's go into local script and get the character first. So local character equals script.parent, because we're in start character scripts, the script will be in your character. And then we get humanoid next. So character wait for child humanoid. And then after that, we get replicate storage. So we just go local replicate storage. You can shorten this name if you want, but it's easier to tell what it's called. Replicate storage. And then we get the input folder. Let's just name the input folder, and replicate storage wait for child inputs. And then after that, we're gonna get the sprint action. So we're gonna just do sprint action equals input folder, wait for child, play context, and then wait for child again. Sprint. And then after that, let's just write down the normal speed. So the normal speed is the default player speed, which is 16. You can set to anything, but make sure it matches what's in the starter player properties. And then next we're gonna get the sprint speed, and let's just say it's 32, which is double the speed. Actually, to make it more noticeable, let me set it to like 50. Now this is the easy part I was talking about. All you need to do is do sprint action dot pressed connect function, and then you just put humanoid dot walk speed equals sprint speed. That's not sprint action. There we go. And then after that, we obviously need to check if the key got released. So just do sprint action dot released connect function again. And then humanoid dot walk speed equals normal speed. And if we go into here, it should just work. Now, if you want to know how to add mobile support, all you need to do is like create a screen GUI and ignore GUI inset. I'm just gonna get a text button for this. Set my anchor point, blah blah blah. Make the text scaled property like that. Press to sprint. Now let's rename the sprint button too for organization. And after that, we just go to touch bind, and as you can see in the properties here, there's something that says UI button. We just click it. We just click sprint button, and I think that should just work. Yep. And if we press, as you can see, we press X and it works too. Feel free to just copy this, but try to understand it too. It's not too hard to understand. And yeah, bye.